All right, don't judge me, guys. We're going to look at Bitcoin Cash. Yikes today. Bitcoin's little brother, can we see, is up 22.27% on the daily time frame, sitting at a market cap of 2.75 billion. Ladies and gents, if you're new here, subscribe to my channel because I'm doing a $200 giveaway of my favorite crypto project, Lucky Block, and all you got to do to enter is just simply hit the subscribe button. So what's happening with Bitcoin Cash? Why are we getting a tremendous surge of volume of 270% increase? Why is the price going up so crazy right now? Because we were just $117 like a week ago, and now we're at $143. We're in a bear market. Bitcoin is moving down. The macro trend is down. The macroeconomical factors and externalities are making crypto go down. Everything is down. So why is this pumping today? Nobody truly knows, but we're getting some comments. People are like, oh, short Bitcoin now, fly like a rocket, show me the moon babies. It's all very much mixed, nonsensical talk in the comment sections, as always, on coin market cap. So what's going on today? Well, I'm not entirely sure, but we are still seeing a lot of news, and I think Bitcoin Cash is still quite early in terms of its commercialism and how many people can actually use this in a real world scenario. But it's going to be huge in Asia, and that's one thing for sure. As we can see, there's a post here 2 days ago. Remember the video about our soft launch we posted earlier this year? It was a pilot test and has been successfully running in Tacloban City, Philippines. We're getting closer to scaling this up and making it available in more areas. So is Bitcoin Cash going to become worldwide usage, especially in third world countries or developing countries? You can see they're getting closer to scaling this up and making it available in more areas. So more people will be using Bitcoin Cash, holding Bitcoin Cash, and actually utilizing it as a real currency. Interesting stuff, right? Well, what's happening on the charts for Bitcoin Cash? We're going to have a little look today. We're just sitting on the 4-hour time frame. You can see we're pretty overbought on the RSI, first things first, and we're overextended now on this 20-day moving average. We just lost the support of this broadening channel, as you can see, and then we just got this bullish reversal from $96 all the way up here to $121. The volume is massive, as we can see. The volume candle was just crazy. I don't know where all of this came from, but somebody identified this level as a good price to clearly buy some Bitcoin Cash. So someone knows something that clearly I do not. But what's recently happened is we were in this descending channel. We broke out the support, the resistance here at $89, and we saw continuation to the upside. Then we got this small retracement here. So we're still putting through higher highs and higher lows, and I'm generally feeling quite excited in terms of what could happen here for Bitcoin Cash. Maybe the price target could actually be $200 for this year of 2022. So if we quickly go to the weekly time frame, what is quite interesting is, well, actually this current price that we are seeing right now is very, very reminiscent. You know, down here at this price level of $118, it's very similar to the December 2018 prices. So we've not actually come down this low since just today. And maybe that's why people are recognizing that there's value in the current price levels for Bitcoin Cash. Because the last time we were here and we were pretty oversold on the RSI, we saw a price explosion up over 350%. Now, I'm not going to speculate and say, okay, the same thing's going to happen. We're going to see a 400% pump to $381. But maybe in the future, it's definitely a good level to get in and dollar cost average, preparing for the next impulse wave in the next crypto bull market. That's what we could certainly be looking at. It's just identifying these stages where here we've got extreme fear, we're in a bear market. Here we've got extreme fear in a bear market. You know, we're equally oversold on the weekly RSI. So we're just looking at some historical data that tells us that, well, maybe we're going to see a repeat of the history of what happened here for Bitcoin Cash. Now, if we also look at the euphoric top that we did put through here of $1,160, take it down to the bottom, we can see for the next bull market cycles, a pragmatic target is going to be between $1,455 and $1,830, which is written in with our golden pocket Fibonacci extension right here, as well as the 1.272 Fibonacci extension. So I'm looking at this. I mean, it is still a crazy downtrend, and until we get to at least the $200, $300 level, it's still very much just, you know, it's firing shots in the dark right now. We don't truly know what's going to happen, but you can see if we do get our quick rectangle over here, wherever you are. I think you're in here. Yeah, you can see that this sort of area here is very sensitive in terms of the consolidation, where we're getting lots of swing highs, swing lows. So until we get back into this range, it's hard to feel super bullish, but technically where you want to be buying is as low as possible. So that $77 level here that was put through following the 200-week moving average crash for Bitcoin, that was a really good time to buy some Bitcoin Cash. So yeah, interesting to see what's going on here on Bitcoin Cash. We printed 4 consecutive green candles on the weekly, following 3, 6, 9, 11 red weekly candles. So maybe this is going to be it now. Maybe that's the end of the euphoric rush here. The Bollinger Bands are telling us that we're at the top of the Bollinger Band on the daily time frame. Usually this is where you put through a shorting opportunity. So yeah, in my opinion, I don't know if this is going to be sustained. I'm not going to buy Bitcoin Cash. I don't really like or care about the project, but we're just doing it because we want to talk about what's effectively happening here. Technical targets, I suppose in the short term, we could be looking at the next swing high, up to around $167. In my opinion, that's the best that we're going to see for Bitcoin Cash, but I do then expect that we will just see a rejection. So if we do come up, we test here, we'll just see a rejection and probably reject and reject and reject. So I don't expect this to be a sustained pump. This is very anomalous in my opinion. There's no real reason. There's not really any price catalysts going on with cryptocurrency right now. Anyway, if you're new to the channel, do check out my Twitter giveaway. As I said, I'm doing a $200 giveaway. Subscribe, and check out all the latest information in my description box, because I've got some really nice projects there that are set to explode, and some of them are also in their pre-sale phase. Anyways, thanks for watching and see you soon.